Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is estimated to be about 4.5 billion years old. Scientists used lunar samples and meteorites to determine the age of the Earth. Scientists use the geological timescale to record various stages in Earth's history. Geologists define a long period of time as an era. Each era is divided into several periods. There are 4 eras: Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. The Precambrian era began when Earth was first formed, 4.5 billion years ago. The earliest living organisms to evolve were simple organisms like bacteria, protozoa, algae, and cladina. The Paleozoic era lasted from 544 to 245 million years ago. It is divided into 6 periods: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. The Mesozoic era lasted from 245 to 65 million years ago. It is divided into 3 periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The first mammal and dinosaur evolved during the Triassic period. Morganugadon was one of the earliest mammals that lived during the Jurassic period. The first non-flowering plants, such as conifer, palm-like cycad, and fern, appeared during the Jurassic period. The Cretaceous period may have seen more dinosaurs than ever before. Dinosaurs that lived during this period were the Argentinosaurus, Tyrannosaurus, Triceratops, and Pteranodon. The Cenozoic era began 65 million years ago and continues into the present. It is divided into 2 periods: Tertiary and Quaternary. The Tertiary period started with a disaster that killed nearly all the dinosaurs about 65 million years ago. The Quaternary period began about 1.8 million years ago, and we live in the Quaternary period. During this period, early people were using tools made of stone, and civilization had begun. Among the bigger mammals present during this period were the saber-toothed tigers, mammoths, and wolves. What are fossils? Fossils are naturally preserved remains of organisms that have been buried for a long period of time. Examples of fossils are plant fossils, dinosaur fossils, insect fossils, and fish fossils. Why are fossils important? Fossils show how much plant and animal species have changed over time. Fossil records help us understand when these layers of rocks are formed. Fossil records also provide information about species that have gone extinct. And lastly, the fossils that surface when digging oil wells can help workers locate oil and gas reserves.